Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into revamp. 9 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Rehabilitate, which means return something, especially a building or environmental feature, to its former condition. Rehabilitate. For example, the authority has an excellent reputation for rehabilitating vacant housing. Number 2. Reconstruct, which means reorganize something. Reconstruct. For example, the building had to be substantially reconstructed. Number 3. Improve, which means make or become better. Improve. For example, staff looked for ways to improve the service. Number 4. Refurbish, which means renovate and redecorate something, especially a building. Refurbish. For example, the premises have been completely refurbished in our corporate style. Number 5. Renovate, which means restore something old, especially a building, to a good state of repair. Renovate. For example, the old school has been tastefully renovated as a private house. Number 6. Overhaul, which means take apart a piece of machinery or equipment in order to examine it and repair it if necessary. Overhaul. For example, I've been overhauling the gearbox. Number 7. Modernize, which means adapt something to modern needs or habits, typically by installing modern equipment or adopting modern ideas or methods. Modernize. For example, if we don't modernize, we will lose our competitive edge. Number 8. Renew, which means replace something that is broken or worn out. Renew. For example, the hotel was completely renewed last year. Number 9. Rebuild, which means build something again after it has been damaged or destroyed. Rebuild. For example, after the earthquake, people set about rebuilding their homes. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.